first of all, I have to draw your attention to another publication that had come out just exactly at the same time, Connacht Tribune, which has one of the most amazing headlines I've seen about Connemara for a while. It says, Connemara is slipping into the sea. So, that's sort of, this is where we are, folks. We're slipping into the sea. And you can't think of a more sort of appropriate moment as we're on the slippery surface, finishing up into the ocean, to contemplate Connemara as a sort of a metaphor and as a place to think about landscape, memory, loss, the future, the world, everything. And you couldn't have a better companion with you on that journey of navigation and discovery than this beautiful book. I can't praise this highly enough. It's a beautiful sequence of essays which will stay with us for a very long time.
It makes me think in a way of how D.H. Lawrence wrote this famous essay on Cézanne, and where he talked about Cézanne's struggle with the apple as a motif and as a cliche in art, and that, you know, how many thousands of apples Cézanne had to draw and had to paint before he broke through the cliche of the apple. And in a way, we have to think in terms of our relationship with landscape and the cliches that exist in terms of our relationship with landscape. You know, how many kind of cliched uses of certain terminologies and vocabularies, especially in the art world, do we have to break through and bring something in from the outside in order to actually really critically think about what it means to relate to a landscape, especially a landscape as dramatic as this.
I was very interested when you mentioned that thing about affect, or the matter in us relating to the matter out there, because I think we've all experienced it, and just even driving down the Aina Valley today, just how do you explain that particular impact, that aesthetic whack or impact? Antonio Machado, wonderful Spanish poet, used to say that poetry was about stitching the inner and the outer world together. And we do that in many ways, but one of our main tools is language.
Up until now, I think, in terms of talking about Benning, in terms of talking about our own experiences, it's been very much us perceiving landscape and landscape outside. But one thing which I find very exciting in making films and using these things is how you can take film almost, or at least seemingly, outside of human perception